United Arab Emirates Air Force. And of course, these aircraft have been involved in a great many multinational operations. Look out to the left, in the overhead, the C17A Globemaster 3. Going back 25 years now to Operation Allied Force in 1999, the US Air Force C-17 took half of all the airlift effort involved, and they were much involved and continue to be in Afghanistan with that in 2001 onwards. Apparently across keeping recent lines of things. The worldwide fleet of these aircraft has now popped up in excess of 3 million flying hours. 279 C-17s ended up being built. The last one left the Boeing plant at Long Beach, California in November 2015 and actually brought to an end aircraft production there. That aircraft was destined for Qatar. And in the US Air Force of that airlift flight, the evacuees pulled themselves on board through the rear ramp. And in terms of another high-profile operation, it was the C-17 that in 2022 transported the body of Queen Elizabeth II from Abingdon to our airport before the state funeral. Now, this airfield is still no stranger to the transport fleet of the Royal Air Force, being used for regular tactical landing training by the aircraft from Bryce Norton. I believe an Airbus Atlas, an A400M, was active here only this past week. What a majestic sight as this magnificent airlifter, combining so many of the attributes of both tactical and strategic transports, comes into land at Abingdon. A bit of a taste there of the standing short field capabilities of this aircraft. Those engines for approximately F-117 turbofans, 40,440. Then the rear ramp being lowered, the C-17 then turning off the runway just adjacent to our commentary point, and it's going to be parked up for you to view throughout the day before it departs Abingdon back to Bryce Norton at the end of the show.
Going back to Liverpool.